The software is Miracle Study software, which gives you a overview of the live market, and you can select the various time frames in this software. So I'm giving you a brief in this video. This is our 1 minute candle that we can see through M1. M5 represents 5 minute candle. M15 represents 15-minute candle. M30 represents 30-minute candle. H1 is 1 hour candle. H4 is 4 hour candle. And D1 is day candle. W1 is a week candle, and MN is a month candle. So I'm going to tell you a brief about this software, what it helps you. It helps you basically for doing the swing trades. Swing trades are basically you can trade on swings. You can trade on upside or as well on downside, both sides. You can take a buy entry, you can take a sell entry based on this software. This software gives you a very fair idea about how you can trade for a particular counter. So it has around more than 150 scripts or stocks that you can select from, and you can have the symbols here, like you can see Apollo Tire, ACC, Adani Net, and so on. So what it is useful for is you can refer this software and take a trade confidently, but before that you should know the basics of how to use it. There are certain conditions actually you should know how you can use it, and I'm going to give you a brief about the same. If you like this software, you can ask for a demo and you can comment. If you think you need any more information, you can comment, and we will try to give you more information about the same. So this Apollo tire I'm going to show you 1 hour candle. What we are seeing here is currently you can see it's all red, it's falling down, and the system is also telling the same. 90% it's showing it's on sell side. These are the today's and yesterday's open and high and low values, and these are your candles that you can see. These candles represent the opening and close, high and low, and you can refer those candles, and you can easily select this size whatever you want through these zoom in zoom out things. It's easy for you to see a particular time frame data. Suppose you want to see for 1 week, 1 month, you can go through these time frames, and you can easily get an overview of this. You don't need to be too much technical to know this. You can be you can have a basic knowledge to use this software, and you can easily take your trades. This is basically going to help you for your positional trades. This we call swing trades also. So on swings you can take these trades. So I'll tell you what you need to see. These are the green symbols that represent your entry level. These are the red symbols that represent your sell level. So we don't need to act on each and every buy and sell level. We need to be wise enough. We need to be enough calculative to take a trade. So the best what we have analyzed is 1 hour trade, 1 hour candle that we can select to take any trade. Now suppose you are in the live market today and you want to see what's happening. So what you can do, you can select a 1 hour trade for this particular script, Apollo tire. So there are certain conditions before taking a trade that I'm going to tell you. This is our moving average line, right? And this moving average line is something that we consider here a line for us to take our trade. So we take the trade based on this line. There are so many other lines also. These are for certain calculations. These are for different time frames, but here we are not considering all of them. These are also moving averages. This is a 55-day moving average, or this is a 21-day moving average, and so on. This is a 13-day moving average, but the one that we are considering here is 55-day moving average, that represented in yellow color. So guys, please always remember this yellow line. That is going to help you while taking your decision for making an entry or not. Okay, so this is second thing that we are going to see. This is our trend bar. First trend bar, second trend bar, third trend bar. So here we recommend you to refer only first trend bar. The other two trend bars are already taken into calculation for this first trend bar. So you don't need to refer the other trend bars. This is for internal calculations. You just need to go through this first trend bar. So when we are talking, there are two colors in this trend bar. One is white and one is red. White represents a buying zone and red represents a selling zone. So now we have to see, we have three conditions. Whenever we are getting a buy signal, that buy signal we only consider when there are three conditions that we see are met. The first condition is, if we are seeing this buying signal, we need to see that the trend bar should always show white. So first condition is trend bar should be white. Second condition is, whenever we are getting a buy signal, it should represent us only when the candles are above this yellow moving line. If it is showing a buy signal below yellow moving line, we don't take it for any trades for buy side. But in the case of sell side, we will take it as red should be the signal in the trend line. And whenever there is a sell entry coming, we will only enter after it has come below the moving average. So this is the high level conditions. So now in this case, we have got a buy entry here. And the buy entry is here, wherein we can take this entry only when our candles are above this moving average, right? So we need to see the second candle should close above the first candle, then it is uh, a right entry for us to take. I'll show you some more examples so that you can refer them as well, what I am trying to tell. Here again, you will see the sell entry has come, but in this case we will only enter when it has crossed the yellow moving line. Only below this we can target to take the sell entry. You can have your SL at this level. You're taking an entry here means you can have your SL for this moving average line accordingly as per the script. Here I'm not going to tell you in depth. This is just an overview of this software that we consider while taking our trades. So this is just a high level I am giving you. You can see how it works. Whenever we are getting a buy entry, here it is a white trend. Trend is white, that means it's green. And then you see that this is the entry we are getting here. We got this entry, and this candle has went upside. And this candle has crossed the high of this candle. So that means we can take a trade in this candle somewhere or in this candle as well. So you can see now the trend is positive for buy, and we can take a trade here, and we can like stay invested in this trade as long as at least you get some good points. Maybe you can see what is the entry that we are getting here. We have got this entry at this level, and if you see here, this entry is somewhere near to 496. So at this entry we can see the calculation of nearly 5 to 7% minimum we target, and you see how much it has gone upside here. In this case, at 518 it has touched the high from 496. That means nearly 5% is it is giving. Safe traders can keep 3 to 4% also. And you see it is all white, it is above the moving average, and it is the entry point. So you can see either you can book your positions here, or if you stay invested till the time you are above this yellow line, you can stay invested comfortably, this being your SL. And as soon as it moves up, you can move your SL and follow this yellow trend line, yellow moving average line, and you can keep the trailing stop loss and keep moving upside. So you can see the high that has been made, uh, and that is somewhere nearly 540 rupees. From there again we got a sell signal, and it has started coming down here. But if you are updating your trailing stop loss, somewhere you can see nearly when it is here, you can keep your trailing stop loss to 518. When it has went to this level 540, you can move it up to 520 rupees. That has still not yet been cut. When it moves up to this level, then you can keep modifying your SL, means up to 525 you can keep your SL. Up to 525 your SL will not be cut, but when it breaks 525 here at this level, you will see uh, be uh, it will be cut. So you can see from this entry level from 496 to 525, you got almost 30 points in a very safe way. And this is how you can get good profits from various stocks. So this is just a brief overview of this software. We have tried and tested it on many scripts, and you will see it is a wonderful software and can help you gain a good number of profits. And the same theory applies to this as well, what I have just told you. Here also we are getting a very good entry, and this is again a white trend, and we can see that okay, this is a swing trading, and we are seeing till the time it is above the average line, we are in no fear of losing our position. We can simply move our SL to this moving average line, and we can hold the position comfortably till you see okay, this has been coming to this level to break your SL. So if you have taken an entry here, you can book your position comfortably somewhere wherever you feel good. After this entry at 497 here, 496 here, yeah, you can easily take this entry. Up till here you can book some profits of 15-20 points, and or you can stay invested and you can book your entry at this level as well, 540. But then you see there is a sell entry coming. You can stay invested, but again when we see it has been turned into red, and signal started coming to downside and coming below this moving average line, then we can modify our trailing SL to this level, and we can book the positions before it comes to uh, and below this line. So the safe players target 5%, 4%, 3%. They can obviously, when they take an entry here, they can easily book their position at this level, which is a very comfortable level. If you miss to book at this, maybe when you see it's coming down, you can book at suppose 524 also, because we have made an entry already at 500 level. So 5% again it is giving here also. So I have shown you some examples, and I hope you are really liking this software. We have tried it on many scripts. The same thing you can see for many other scripts, and the same thing is working here. You see here it's giving a sell signal, but we are not entering as the trend bar is still showing white, so we don't take an entry here until unless we see the red trend bar, and until unless we see this moving average, the candle comes below this moving average. We can take our entry here at this point. When this has come below the moving average, then we can take an entry, and you see from there what the fall has come. This is the fall, and it has come from this is the candle where we see 265 rupees, though we got the sell signal at 273, but we are not going to take the entry here. You see 271, we are not going to take the entry. We'll wait for it. Once it has come below this moving average, see, this is our entry. 265 we will take when it has come below this. 265 will be the entry, and then you see from there where it has come. This is 261. 261 is the entry point, and from 264 to 261 it has come. Sorry, no, not 261. This is the 247 249 level, sorry, 248 level. Okay, you can see below 248 is the low for this. You can see on the right side, the price on the right side. Yeah, this is the price. On the right side, you can see 261 was the high, but the low made was 248, below 248. So this is how from 265 to 248. That means easily it has given you nearly 5%. That is nearly 10, 12 rupees plus. So as we said that, as I said, okay, 5% is something that we target, but on a safer zone, you can put your sell order at any level, 3%, 4%, and this is somewhat a comfortable trade you can take. And now we see, okay, when we got this sell entry, suppose this sell entry we got on 11 January. 11 January we got this, and today is 18 January, and on 18 January it has touched this level, right? You can see on the top also the low made was 248.45. So this software gives you a good reference to take your perfect trades, and almost it's working very well for this uh, equity market, wherein we are showing you these futures. These are not the spots, these are our future stocks, future. So you can take your trades based on these references before. But I would also say, before making any investment, you can consult your financial advisor, and you can obviously take your own decisions. We are not forcing you to buy anything, we are not suggesting you to buy or sell anything. We are simply sharing our software for reference and knowledge and learning purpose. If you are interested, you can ask for a demo. You can join our live session also to see, and if you need any inputs on any stocks, or you want to see how any particular stock is showing these candles for any particular period, you can check with us. You can call at the above number that is mentioned here in this screen. You can see on the top right corner, you will see our team will be happy to assist you. So if you like this, please definitely comment what we would like to see more. If you are interested to see any other stocks, please write about them, and we'll try to create another video for you, and we'll be coming with more such informative videos, and hope you like the video. Please share it with your friends, and comment and share your feedback. We'd love to hear from you, and if you like, then please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and hope you like the video. Thanks a lot, and you have a great time. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. All the best.